I'm filming right now, Dave.
The lovely trailer. So
And this is Dave Gristwood,
You
the
got
sidecar
Correct.
guy.
So in here
He's giving me a tour.
is the workshop.
The workshop.
Lights are on.
Oh, this is a big machine.
That's the lathe.
So you're well prepared, aren't you?
That's a generator, Scott. Just emptied it.
Oh, generator.
That's a generator.
And all of these are your oil or your fuel?
This is the fuel.
Fuel.
Gas bottles are welded.
And what kind of fuel do you put in your sidecars?
It's Anglo-American.
Oh.
So 105. There it is, 105. Toilet facilities, which we probably won't go into the toilet.
We
there,
don't
but
need to. They're all pretty well the same.
We know what a toilet looks like, so that's that down here.
Okay.
And then we got the rest area. Nice sofa to sit on.
A nice sofa.
Nice table.
And how many people can fit at that table?
We can get 10 around there.
Yeah, that's
A bit
great.
of a squeeze.
And who's coming down the stairs?
That's James, the famous 125 rider.
And Sidecars.
And Sidecars rider.
Ah.
He does a bit of both. And then through here,
The kitchen.
you've got the kitchen. So this is where all the food's made.
Oh, very
So,
nice kitchen.
Very nice.
Is it?
That's right.
Better than lots of kitchens in people's homes.
We hope so, yeah.
And
then
who are these two? The cooks?
these two, we got, I don't know, who are you? That's Sam sidecar rider, and then Dean, who's just a supporter.
Just a
Just a
supporter?
supporter, that's it. Yeah,
That's all I have.
He makes
Where
coffee.
would we be without
That's right,
supporters,
correct.
Dave?
He
Okay.
makes the coffee.
And we
then if
have it
go
upstairs.
up into the inner sanctum up here. Bit hectic now. Mind you, get a while.
Okay. I'm going up the stairs. It takes some going with. I can't look at my camera when I'm climbing.
And this is the sleeping
Oh.
quarters.
You've got lots of sleep space.
So, nice bed for me, so it's nice and comfy. Even got a little alcove there, another bed in there.
Oh,
So, yeah.
a private sanctum.
That's right, yeah. And then through here, it's a bit of a mess as we said.
You're all busy looking after bikes. You don't have time
That's
to look
it.
after your.
See, nice little shower in there.
And upstairs a shower. Wow.
And then just more, hopefully, it's not locked.
Another space. Is this where all the machinery goes, Dave?
Yeah. This is where we can store the sidecar in there.
And how do you lift it up? Here.
There's a ramp at the back, goes up and down.
Oh, you got a
So we got a
ramp.
ramp, yeah. So
That's quite.
it's not too bad, is it?
No.
It does us. It's, yeah, and it supports about 6 sidecars, I think. Yes, it is 6. A little team.
Okay, I will carefully go down the stairs.
Mind your head on the way down.
I will. And they're like a ladder. They're not narrow steps, aren't they? Now you're going to show me the sidecars that are there
Sorry?
outside.
Outside, yeah, should be 5 out there, I think. Somewhere.
Oh, you even got a TV.
Doesn't get used very often, only when
No.
one of the GP's on. Sorry.
No problem. Now, what I didn't say yet, that it is Dave's birthday today.
The big 7-0.
Oh,
Never
you're a
mind.
young man, younger than me.
That's it. So part of the team is Steve Mann in his imp powered one. You've got James and Sam on that's an imp as well.
Is it?
Yeah, Hillman imp engine.
You've seen our hat, Dave.
Sorry? What was it?
Let's see.
Our trophy.
What with the
Oh, first. Where did you get first?
Yes, I mean, unfortunately, our team sponsor did not quite get first. Only the junior member of staff managed to get the first.
Oh, thank you very
We're
much for that. Yeah. He's very lucky.
And modest.
Lucky and modest, that's a wonderful combination. So,
There you go.
here's your workshop.
That's my driver, Mike.
Mike.
Just put it all back together again. Just blend the brakes.
Hi, Mike.
And then
Dave, tell me the special skill it takes to be in the back of the sidecar. Because I've not realized any of
as
that.
long as you can move from left to right, back to front, is easy. So,
What is it about the forces of gravity and the shifting of weight?
oh yeah. I mean, you've got to make sure you're on right-handers. You've got the weight over the front wheel, so it gets some grip.
Yeah.
And then you've got to go out left to make the left-handers. Otherwise, the chair leg lifts in the air to get round. So, but generally speaking, you're just a lump of concrete on there. Bit of weight for the driver. The drivers are skillful ones, aren't they, Mike?
And how do you know, if you're the driver, how do you know if someone's fallen off?
I don't know. How do you know if I've fallen off, Mike?
I said, how do you know if you're...
Well, fortunately, he doesn't fall off. Not that often. Not that often. You are there, Mike?
It's a rarity, right?
It's going to be my fault if he's fallen off.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, it takes a big man to shoulder the blame, doesn't it?
Well, you know. He goes a bit lighter, that's how he knows. No, you just... the only way he'll fall off is if some dramatic...
Dave, I really appreciate you having the time to speak with me and take me into your inner sanctum. And so I will let you get back to what you were doing.
No problem. All right then.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.